What's going on, guys? So, today we have just a regular old boring battery replacement on what is this, a 256 gigabyte, some type of a modded iPod. So, yeah, let's do that. So, first of all, let's plug this thing into power, make sure everything else works. Because before you open it up, you want to make sure there's nothing else wrong. If anything, to cover your own butt. Because, if something else pops up and you don't know if it happened in transit or happened before it left, or maybe you did it yourself, who knows? So, always a good thing to just check the condition of everything before you start to operate on it. While this thing is booting up, I want to give a shout out to Elite Obsolete Electronics. They sent me some of these opening tools. Awesome dudes, bought some batteries off them as well. This is not actually their correct address, email. Man, I cannot talk today. Holy crap. This is not their correct address anymore. It is actually eoe.works. They got a lot of iPod stuff there for sale, not just the classics, but a lot of the other models. So, yep, shout out to them for the free gift. Thanks, guys. All right, let's get into this iPod. Hello. Come on. Come on. Okay. Plug it in. So this has an upgraded battery in it. And they said it's just not lasting. I don't want to see albums. Get me to artists. What do we got? Alice Cooper. Come on, man. Ooh. Oh, no, that's the song. Okay. Sounded a little funky there. Let me go to something else. The Blatant Beatles. I know how this is supposed to sound. Okay, yeah, we're good. Sorry, the audio, it sounded off, but I couldn't tell if it was the actual recording or if it was something physical with the iPod. So, found something that I know exactly how it sounds, and it sounds good. Okay, so play pause works. Next is good. Previous is good. Menu is good. And the hold switch is good. So the only complaint is that the iPod's battery does not last at all. So let's throw a different one in. Alrighty. Alright. Let's get in there. Let's find a spot. And just get in there and just work the clips loose. There we go. Just keep working your way down. There we go. Get down here at the bottom. Oop, too tight there. Let's try up here. Seems to be a little bit of a gap. Let's go to the bottom. There she is. And there we go. Alrighty. And if you see my videos before, you know exactly what I'm going to say next. You want to resist the temptation to open this like a book. Because what you have running back here is the battery cable, and when you go to open it like that, you can actually accidentally rip the battery connector off the motherboard. I get probably 3 to 5 messages a week about this exact thing happening. Be careful. Take a spudger. Hold your battery connector down. Pair of tweezers. Pull up on the battery. Now you can open it like a book. All right, let's see what we got. Just gonna remove this guy. Hopefully they don't have it like crazy adhesive down. Some places go a little out of control. Oh, it's just tape. Good. Actually, you know what? Let's leave that right there. Okay. Let's take our battery. There we go. And we will stick it right here. Wait a minute. Nope. 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 This is a different. There we go. It's just better. There we go. So we'll stick this guy in here like so. Get that pressed down good. Hold switch cable out of the way there. All right, we need our handy dandy paper clip tool. What did I do with it? Where is it? My jacked up paperclip tool still makes me sad. Okay, let's seat this cable. Get in there now. Get in there. There we go. There we go. Now just there like that. Push the cable down. And we'll just wait for her to boot back up. We'll see what type of percentage of the battery indicator is at, and then we'll throw it on the charger and make sure everything's working as it should be. Come on. Come on. Now I got Billy Squire, the Stroke, stuck in my head. There we go. Okay, so we're about 3/4 full, as you can see right there. So let's throw it on the charger and see what happens. Okay, charger is on. All right, so I'll be back with you guys in just a little bit. See you in a few seconds. All right, it's been a couple hours, so let's see where we are at. Okay, battery is up to full. Cool. So let's close this puppy up. And just in case, before we actually close it up, I like to bend the edges in. You know, because sometimes when you are opening it, you kind of inadvertently pry out on it. So this just kind of corrects that. Here we go. And we're closed. Do the old rattle check. Nothing rattling around. Everything's tight. Good. And good. All right. Let's test. Make sure everything is good to go. Hello. Throwing things all over the place. All right. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Do some Aerosmith. You dream on. Okay, so bad confession to make. The first song that came to mind when I first heard, when the intro of the first guitar intro of this came on, was that the Eminem song that has this for a hot second. I forget what it was. I think it was off his first album. Anyways, I'm rambling now. Both ears are good. Play pause is good. Next is good. Previous is good. Menu's good. Hold switch is good. All right, well, that'll about do it for this one. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys need a repair, my email is in the description down below. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.